Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Poly.ai app to chat like a lifelike AI characters from anime to your movie stars and more. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to download the Poly.ai app. If you have an Android or iOS, head to the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Then here you can also visit the Poly.ai on your browser to access it on desktop. And then once inside, you'll be verified or you'll see a variety of characters from anime, TV shows, or custom personalities. Tap 1 to start chatting in a real-time voice or text. And it feels like you're talking to a real person. The Poly AI isn't just for fun. Some versions offer a voice assistant features for customer support, careers, and more. Certain features may require an invite or early access depending on your region. And that's it. The Poly AI lets you interact with the characters in fun, realistic way and the right from your phone or desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more app tutorials. Thanks for watching.